Have you ever had trouble plotting points in 3D? Does the term coordinate geometry makes you break out in cold sweat?
If yes, then your worries are history. We are here to ease your burden. A pleasant day to all. In mathematics, there are several coordinate systems available to describe the location of a point in 2D or 3D.
In 3 dimensions, the Cartesian coordinate system has 3 perpendicular axes. The original x and y axis from the xy plane plus the z-axis that runs perpendicular to the xy plane.
In right-handed coordinate system, the positive z-axis is pointing out of the screen, and in left-handed coordinate system, the positive z-axis is pointing into the screen.
Generally, to determine handedness, you lay your hand flat to the x-axis with your fingers pointing in the positive x direction. Now, curve your fingers in the direction of positive y-axis. The direction your thumb is pointing is the positive z direction.
Every point in the three-dimensional space can be uniquely defined by its ordered triplet x, y, z. Here, we have created x, y and z axes for easy understanding of 3D coordinate geometry.
The figure in red is a tetrahedron with coordinates A, 3, 3, 3, B, -3, -3, 3, C, -3, 3, -3 and D, 3, -3, -3.
In geometry, a tetrahedron is a polyhedron composed of 4 triangular faces, 3 of which meet at each corner or vertex. It has 6 edges and 4 vertices.
The tetrahedron is the simplest of all the ordinary convex polyhedra and the only one that has 4 faces.
In case of a tetrahedron, the base is a triangle, so a tetrahedron is also known as a triangular pyramid.
With this model, we have derived the formula for measuring distance between 2 points in 3 dimensions.
Distance in 3 dimensions. The distance formula for 2D can be extended for 3D. D equals under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square.
Midpoint in 3 dimension. Given 2 points in 3 dimensions, the midpoint is defined as follows. M is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. Again, each coordinate is the average of the corresponding original 2 coordinates.
Volume of a tetrahedron. Volume of a regular tetrahedron is defined as 1/3 times the area of base multiplied by height.
Area of base is the area of regular equilateral triangle, that is under root 3 by 4a square.
For deriving the height of regular tetrahedron, we take triangle DFC right angled at F. Tan 60 is equal to DF upon FC. This implies DF is equal to a root 3 by 2.
Since centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1, this implies OD is equals to a root 3 by 3.
In triangle AOD, right angled at O, AO square is equal to AD square minus OD square by Pythagoras theorem.
Using the value of OD derived earlier, AO equals to under root a square minus a root 3 by 3 the whole square, which implies that height of a regular polyhedron is a root 2 by 3.
This implies that the volume of regular tetrahedron is root 2 by 12 a cube and the volume of polyhedron ABCD is 72 centimeter cube. We hereby end our session hoping that you would be able to understand the concept of coordinate geometry in 3D easily. Thank you.